this is LG Live Band. So battery level, day and date, time again. This is live band function. This is your trip meter, lap time, heart rate, calorie burn, minute to hour, average speed, pedometer, everything is there. Then you can control your music also from this, and also you can take calls, view your SMS from this. Once fully charged, it runs for 5 days. The charging is simply you connect this adapter to it through USB port.
Can you show the adapter as well?
Okay.
So you can actually flip different things on the display with the swap. What kind of display it is?
And this is OLED touch screen.
Okay.
As well as it can flip the display.
Okay.
Right. You can just hold it for 5 seconds. And it will give you option to whether to wear on the right side or left side. You can switch it like that.
Okay. Can you just wear it again?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, right now it can work with any phone,
it can work with
any iPhone or any Android phone as well.
Right? Yeah, but it has to have a Bluetooth 4. That means Android 4.3 or need to have iOS 6 for that.
Okay, iOS 6 or higher, right?
Right.
And you can actually check the battery of this as well, right?
Correct.
And it can actually track the how many sensors it has and how
accelerometer and 1 altimeter, so it can measure your walking, running and climbing, all kind of activity can measure accurately.
Okay.
And it will share the data with app with any smartphone device as suggested earlier.
Okay.
There you can see your activity in terms of your daily routine.
Can you show the app as well?
Of course, it is here. So for example, once I've created my profile, I've taken a target of some, let's say 243 calories.
Okay.
So my days shows like I have done some 28%, 68 calories burn.
Okay.
How time-wise I have done it, how it looks like in terms of hours. Further, the activity historical data is here. So I can see how walking, running or climbing I have done.
Okay.
And each individual activity is there mentioned separately. You can also analyze that activity separately. And this is a daily average activity, this is monthly level, and this is a weekly level.
Okay.
And then you can use it smartphone to see where you're exactly.
You can see the map as well.
Yeah.
Where you are actually
while hiking and trekking, you can share your location, and you can do an SOS call. Then you can control all the settings from this app itself.
Okay.
Okay. The weight and BMI also is indicating.
Okay. Okay.
While connecting to other hardware devices.
So you can install this application on other Android phone as well. It is available in the
4.3 Android. So
4.3 it will need.
Android and iOS 6.
It is already available on the Play Store, is it?
Right now it is not there. Once we launch it, it will be there.
Okay.
So other apps are also there on Android, which can use to analyze the same data on that app itself.
Okay.
So it shares the data on other apps. So this is a unique feature with that.
Okay.
So and the online help is all possible within the app itself.
So how much is the battery on this device? Can you tell us about the rating? How much milliampere hour?
No, that is not actually revealed yet, but it is sufficient to run for 5 days on one single charge.
Okay.
So it's quite sufficient for a week almost.
Okay. So is there any lock as well which can be?
No, it is not locked. It simply is an open thing so that it can easily go on any wrist. And it's available in 3 sizes. So this one is the M size, the smallest one.
Okay.
Okay. So you can put alarm also. You can use it as a normal wristwatch.
Okay. And you can track your activities.
Yeah, all activities, things are here.
So is there an option of tracking the heart rate as well? Do you have a
separate device
separate
for it?
accessory for that?
Yeah, there's a separate accessory which works in conjunction with that device. It measures the heart rate as well as it measures the calorie as well.
Okay.
So once it measures the heart rate, what it shares with the data with app. So it takes a basic metabolic rate out of the equation. So it gives you more accurate picture of how your activity has given you output.
So is it a music player as well?
Since it's a Bluetooth headset, you can use as a normal Bluetooth headset, and you can use for telephony or music or whatever.
So here we have the LG Live Band on the side with the Alcatel Zoom Band. So Alcatel Zoom Band is a much simpler band actually. It actually helps you track your daily activities in terms of the pedometer, the accelerometer it has. It actually tracks your steps, and you can also track your sleep timing as well with this one, with the Alcatel Zoom Band. Whereas the LG Live Band is actually much better device because it has a display as well, whereas you do not see any display on the Alcatel Zoom Band. So on the LG Live Band, you can actually flip the display to see the battery, you can see the date as well, and you can actually toggle in between different kind of workout modes, which is possible on this device. So you can track over the calories, you can track over the running activity which you are doing. You can do a lot more on this device, and with the help of this application which is there on the LG phone which we have with us, the LG G2, this application can also be installed on other Android phones, and you can also install it on an iPhone as well once it is available in the market. Right now it is not, but once this LG Live Band actually comes into the market, it will be available, and then you can actually install this application on an iPhone, on an Android phone. So this Live Band can actually work not only with LG phones, but it can also work with other phones as well, including an iPhone and other Android phones. The charging adapter which comes with the Live Band is this one, which actually charges this device with the help of the connectors which are over here. So this is how the connector looks like for the charging, and there is no heart rate sensor on this device, but LG has provided a separate accessory for the heart rate monitoring as well. So you can use this accessory, which is actually a kind of a Bluetooth headset which you can use with your phone, and you can track your heart rate with the help of this accessory which we have with us from LG. And talking about the band again, the Live Band. The Live Band is actually a better device. It feels slightly heavier when we compare it with the Alcatel Zoom Band. But again, Alcatel Zoom Band is much smaller or much lesser in terms of functionality which is being offered by the LG Live Band. This one looks good. In terms of the build quality, it is very good. You don't have to actually tie it up. You can easily wear it in your hand with this thing which is flexible. It comes in 3 sizes. This is the medium size which you have, so you can have this device with as per your hand size. You can actually track it, and even in case you are actually wearing it in your left or the right hand, you can hold this button on a weekly basis, and then it will give you the option of each individual activity flipping the display as per your orientation. So if you are wearing it like this, you can flip the display, or you can flip it on this side as well. So this band looks cool, and let's see when it comes to India, at what price it comes to India. As of now, they have just showcased it. It will definitely come to India. Let's see at what price they will come. It should be probably launching at a price of around 25 to 30,000 rupees. We are not sure about that, but that is the approximated guess which we have, which we can make as of now. This looks good, much better than the Alcatel Zoom Band, but this is much lighter in weight. However, this can actually solve the purpose of a watch as well as wearable smart band which you can actually carry with you, the LG Live Band. And this is how the charging accessory can actually fit in onto the Live Band. It can actually fit it like this, and once it is fitted, you can actually charge this Live Band with the help of the micro USB cable which you can easily get in the market. You can use any kind of micro USB cable which supplies data, and you can charge it with this data adapter or the charging adapter which comes with the Live Band. And this is how it looks like. It makes the connection over the sections over here, the connecting dock. With these dots, actually it makes the connection with the Live Band, and you can easily charge it with the help of this adapter which you see over here. So do let us know if you have any specific question for the LG Live Band. We would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Sheikh signing off.